Welcome to SmartScope, knowledge beyond boundaries. The moon, a glowing beacon in the night sky, a silent witness to the history of Earth. Have you ever wondered what secrets it holds? Why do we keep going back to explore this mysterious world, and what could it mean for the future of humanity? Let's uncover the fascinating journey of moon exploration. For thousands of years, the moon was a canvas for human imagination. Ancient cultures believed it was the home of gods or a celestial guardian watching over Earth. In Greek mythology, Selene drove her chariot across the night sky, while in Hindu traditions, Chandra was the god of emotions and time. But myths began to unravel when Galileo turned his telescope to the moon in 1609. He saw craters, mountains, and shadows, proof that the moon was a world, not a perfect divine orb. And that realization set the stage for something extraordinary. The dream of touching the moon. The moon became a battlefield, not for war, but for prestige during the Cold War. In 1957, the Soviet Union launched Sputnik, the first artificial satellite shocking the world. After that, the United States responded with an ambitious goal: to land humans on the moon. President John F. Kennedy's words echoed across generations. We choose to go to the moon, not because it is easy, but because it is hard. Among the many milestones in space exploration, Apollo 11 stands out as a testament to human ingenuity and courage. On July 16, 1969, the massive Saturn V rocket, standing taller than the Statue of Liberty, roared to life, carrying astronauts Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins into space. This was no ordinary mission. It was the culmination of years of planning, innovation, and relentless determination. This journey took 4 days. On July 19th, the crew entered lunar orbit, circling the moon as they prepared for the historic descent. Armstrong and Aldrin boarded the lunar module, named Eagle, while Collins stayed aboard the command module, Columbia, ensuring their safe return. As the Eagle descended, tensions ran high. With only 30 seconds of fuel remaining, Armstrong manually guided the module past a rocky landing site to a smoother area. Then, the historic announcement: Houston, Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed. Humanity had its first outpost on another world. On July 20th, 1969, at 10:56 p.m. EDT, Neil Armstrong descended the ladder and stepped onto the moon, declaring, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." Soon after, Buzz Aldrin joined him, and together, they planted the American flag, conducted experiments, and collected moon rocks, while Michael Collins orbited above, ensuring their journey home. Over 600 million people watched live as humanity united in awe of what we could achieve together. The astronauts spent 21 hours on the lunar surface, leaving behind a plaque that read, "We came in peace for all mankind." But why go to the moon? What did we hope to find? The Apollo missions brought back nearly 400 kilograms of moon rocks. These ancient fragments told us that the moon is 4.5 billion years old, almost as old as Earth. Scientists discovered that the moon was once volcanically active and may have formed from a giant collision between Earth and a Mars-sized planet billions of years ago. More recently, we found evidence of water ice in craters near the moon's poles. Water that could one day sustain life or be turned into rocket fuel. The moon is more than a barren rock. It's a time capsule of our solar system's history. So why are we going back? Decades after the Apollo missions, space agencies and private companies have reignited their interest in the moon. The answer lies in its potential. The moon's surface holds valuable resources like helium-3, a potential fuel for clean nuclear energy. And that water ice we discovered, it could be turned into breathable oxygen or even hydrogen fuel for rockets. Imagine the moon as a gas station for future missions to Mars and beyond. More importantly, living and working on the moon is a test, a training ground for learning how to survive in hostile environments far from Earth. What we learn there could shape humanity's destiny among the stars. The Artemis program is our next big leap. NASA plans to land the first woman and the next man on the moon, but this time it's not just about flags and footprints. Artemis will establish a sustainable human presence on the moon. Imagine a lunar base powered by solar energy, international teams conducting groundbreaking research, and robots mining the moon's surface. And it's not just NASA. Countries like China and India, along with private companies like SpaceX, are racing to play a part in this new lunar era. The moon isn't just our past, it's the gateway to our future. The moon is more than a celestial body. It's a symbol of curiosity, determination, and the unyielding human spirit. As we prepare to step back onto its surface, we're not just exploring the moon. We're unlocking the secrets of the universe and redefining what it means to be human. So are you ready to join this journey to the stars? If this journey inspired you, don't forget to hit the like button, share with fellow space enthusiasts, and subscribe for more incredible stories. Until next time, keep looking up.